Hello and welcome back to your journey learning Python programming. So let's continue with GUI tools. Okay, I'm using here TTK Inter, okay, and TTK Bootstrap 2 library. And in this video, I want to explain you new more tools. It's a meter tools. So let's start with the example. How exactly the meter tools is? It's my meter tools. Okay, we can drag the mouse and we can select the value. Okay, and I'm clicking here. Okay, and it's display me the value. Okay, let me modify. It's display the value here. Okay, so this is my meter tools. Okay, it's a button and here already is a label. Okay, so let's start. So it's my meter tools. Again, TTK is the alias for my TTK Bootstrap. Dot meter, it's a tool's name. Position, it's a style. If I say here info, so what happened? It's converted into the blue color. Okay, so info is a blue color. Now, okay, interactive is true. So because of its interactive true, I can drag and drop, okay, value here. It is because interactive is true. And this percentage sign is for because I say text writing percentage. Okay, so this my text value is writing basically displaying the percentage. So the full is exactly the 100%. Okay, so it's according to the percentage. The value is percentage, measuring percentage. Position, now the button. So this is the main things. When I click on the button, it's display the value in my label. So into the label, we use a label config. Okay, my label name nbl.config. Text is a property to display the value. And now here, as we know in previous videos, we use a variable name .get. Okay, variable name .get. But here is little bit changes. We use, of course, our variable name dot, but amount used variable. First, we say amount used variable .get. Okay, only this word is new, amount used variable. Everything is same. Okay, amount used variable .get. So basically what happened when we click on the button? Okay, we click on the buttons, getting the value and printing this label. And painting in this label command is label.config. Text is a property. My meter is my variable name. Dot amount used variable and dot get is a function. Okay. So this is meter tools in this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.